Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. How are you? I am so excited. Here we are on the 6th of December. So that is our 6th day of Christmas. No, yes, 6th day of Advent calendar for our CrossStitch Advent, Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent calendar. I was getting mixed up because I was just looking up the 12 days of Christmas thing. So I knew what I was talking about there. So what do we got going on? We've got our 12 days of Christmas embroidery. So I looked them up, and day one, of course, is the turtle dove or partridge in a pear tree. Day two was the turtle doves. Day three French hens. I thought they looked like chickens. 3 French hens. So on day 4, we're going to start that one. This is the one we'll start today. And this is 4 calling birds. Like I said, a lot of birds in the first half of this thing. So 4 calling birds. We'll get going on that. The French hen, boy, if I'm going to get graded on my embroidery, maybe a C at the most. It's covered, but that's about it. It looks okay. It looks better done than it did while I was doing it. It was pretty bad while I was doing it. I struggled with that one. I had a hard time doing the satin stitches looking like that. I think they were supposed to just all be even, but that looked funny to me, so who knows. Okay, our tea. I reached into the tea box and I pulled out Summer, or Desjardins Summer. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. I think it's another, yeah, it's another black tea. It says pure and unblended second flush. I'm sure that means something to tea people. All it means to me is it's tea. But it is still super, super hot. I can't even hold the handle to my cup yet. I had forgotten that this cup, this is the cup I used last year, but I forgot that the handle gets really, really hot when I warm up the water. So we're going to let that sit for just a second longer. Let it soak, let it soak, let it soak. Smells good. Smells like basic black tea, which I love. So that should be fine. Okay, let's open our cross stitch box. All right, I wanted to tell you, I did a little research. And the other day, we got that beautiful green fabric. And then we got the Rockin' Robin pattern. And I did not think they went together because I thought the colors were too similar. But then I saw later on their website that that is meant for that. So that green fabric is meant for the pretty robin pattern. Okay, let's see what we have today. Today we are on day 6. And we have this adorable little hedgehog. And what does it say about the hedgehog? It says, when a cat slowly blinks, they're giving the feline equivalent of a kiss. Isn't that interesting? I always thought they were going, seriously. But I guess not. When a cat slowly blinks, they're giving the feline equivalent of a kiss. And the back of it has a pretty snow owl. That's a pretty one. Nothing moving around in there. Get this box open without tearing it. Oh! Nice. 2 packages of DMC, and those are the good ones. 2 packages of DMC needles. Now, typically, when we do cross stitch, we use a needle that does not have, I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't have a point on it. It's not a sharp point. It's a rounded point. Sometimes they're called tapestry needles. We've got 2 different sizes, 24 and 26. The size of the needle is based on the size of the fabric you're using. You don't want to use a needle that is too big for your fabric. It can leave holes. And you don't want to use a needle that's too small for your fabric either. It makes it not, it doesn't fill in quite as good. Plus, it's easier to use a needle that's the right size for your fabric. And as a general rule, the size of the needle corresponds with the holes in. Okay, so like the other day we got that 8 o'clock and it was 14 count Aida. So that means 14 stitches per inch. That's what that number means. And this is a 24 needle, so you would use a 24 with 14. This is a 26 needle, so you would use a 26 with 16 count. So that's kind of how that goes. And that's kind of a rule of thumb. It's not written in stone, but it's sort of a rule of thumb. This is a really good item. I cannot tell you how many needles I have hanging around because I can never find them when I want them. And they do break. Once in a blue moon, they do break. Not very often. The DMC is the good brand. I have bought other brands that were not nearly as good. And in fact, sometimes they even kind of shred the thread while you're using it. So this is, well, I don't know how they got that in there. It doesn't want to close. Okay, got it. We got it. Got it. No, we got her on one end, but not the other end. They really tucked these in here just exactly right. I might have to close it without the needles in there. Okay, come on. Come on. There. Got it. Okay, let's put it in the thing, this side out, so we can see our picture emerging. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number 7 is way down here. So this is tomorrow. This will be 7. All right, guys. Oh, let's taste our tea. Still hot. Still hot. Oh, that's good. Yep. Good old basic black tea. Nothing's fancy, nothing special. I love tea. I love a good hot cup of tea. I forget about tea. I forget how much I like tea, but I do. I really enjoy it. All right. Thank you guys for joining me today. We will see you tomorrow. Please like, please subscribe, and please share this out with somebody that might enjoy it. Thank you so much for being here. Bye-bye.